AMD says it's expanding ROCm to Radeon GPUs and APUs Open Design Center in Serbia that will also work on next-gen UDNA architecture. AMD expands operation in Serbia as it seeks to develop its AI software ecosystem such as extended ROCm support on the consumer tier Radeon GPUs and APUs along with the development on portions of the next-gen UDNA architecture. AMD is planning to evolve itself not just as a hardware company but also as a software company that will now focus on developing its software ecosystem for AI workloads that will be available to more developers. AMD, as we know, is mostly popular for its processor and GPUs for mainstream PCs and data centers, but it also offers an open source ROCm platform which is mostly available to high-end data center products. The latest interview of AMD Senior Vice President and Chief Software Andrej Zdravkovic by the Techpowerup has revealed crucial information about the company's mission for its product. If you are aware, AMD recently opened 2 data centers in Belgrade and Nis as it seeks to expand its operation. The team development for operation in Serbia will handle a lot of tasks, which Andrej explains in detail in the interview. The interview is as such, and we have a team working on AI technologies for data center, developing our ROCm subsystem for data center. New team that we just established is working on ROCm for Radeon. We are extending our ROCm subsystem to Radeon graphics products so everybody can get to use AI on AMD APUs and Radeon GPUs. Going further, we are not limiting Serbia teams to these technologies. This is going to be a full-fledged design center. We are going to have RTL design, hardware verification and many other hardware and software technologies as an option by Andrej via Techpowerup. The primary task for the team, which will be software development, and as per Andrej, a large part of the team will be working on the virtualization of AMD graphics processor. From content protection to security, AMD is planning to expand its operation further into more security aspects. One of the key details revealing in the interview is AMD's plan to expand its ROCm support to Radeon products, which is a big deal since AMD ROCm subsystem is mostly available on its high-end data center products. By providing support to Radeon products, the ROCm subsystem can be accessed by a lot of developers, letting them use AI on Ryzen APUs as well as Radeon GPUs. This shouldn't come as a big surprise if you are aware of AMD's expansion of ROCm to the Strix Halo. AMD is seeking to develop its software ecosystem in Serbia as Andrej discovered that the region has a rich pool of qualified engineering talent. And these are some of the questions asked by Techpowerup to Andrej. Question Alexander TPU regarding the new UDNA. We heard that UDNA is combining RDNA and CDNA to single architecture for GPU. So if that's going to be something that's going to develop here, or a part of its develop here, or something else? The reply from Andrej, or the answer, yeah, that's new. The portion of the new work will be developed in the Serbia. We are working to define the next aspect of what's going on to be developed here. ROCm, Radeon Open Compute, is an open source platform that will allow developers to write software for AI and machine learning on AMD hardware, which will now be accessible to those who own mainstream Ryzen APUs and Radeon GPUs. This will help the Red team in developing powerful AI PCs featuring CPU, GPU, and NPU neural processing unit to enhance performance in AI workloads. AMD's currently strategy is to offer ROCm support across the entire computing stack, including edging devices like desktop, data center, and the cloud. Andrej also talk about the UDNA Unified Data and Neural Architecture, which will combine the RDNA and CDNA to compete against nvidia CUDA cores. Unfortunately, Andrej didn't disclose information about the upcoming products, but hinted that AMD is going to innovate in both software and hardware world to offer versatile solution for every market.